Family, what's going on, everybody? I'm so excited and elated that you have joined us yet again for another episode of the Student Success Series of Caps and Gowns TV. I told you last week, we're going to be working on our virtual vision boards today, and I'm going to show you a way that you can do it right where you are, even on your phone. You can download this app I'm about to tell you about, or you can get on that good old-fashioned computer. I love it. So listen, without further ado, let's get into it right now. We're going to be creating our virtual vision boards. I'm going to show you literally how you can do it today with no money, with no paper, with nothing. Like, you can literally do it with everything that you have right now. All right, so let's get into it right now. All right, y'all, here we go. We're going to canva.com. That's where we're going to create our virtual vision board. To the right-hand side, I said create a design, and I'm typing in presentation because I'm familiar with it, and I just love the dimensions. It's perfect for a virtual vision board, okay? To the left, you can see your options for uploading information, but right now we're just going to focus on uploading stock pictures that Canva has in their database. So right now I'm just typing in one of my goals, and I want to find a picture that is indicative of the goal that I desire to achieve. All right, I didn't like what I saw before. Now I went to a different page and I like this one. So I'm going to add that to my virtual vision board and resize it so that I can fit other pictures on the vision board. All right, here we go. I just fast forwarded a little bit and I added more pictures. But right now I'm adding the text so that I can show on my vision board what the specific goals are. Okay, this is imagery, right? Someone looking at this may not fully understand what those pictures represent. So you have the autonomy to add on text if you like, or if you just want to have pictures, it's totally up to you. Definitely rock out with that. Show your creative ability and whatever it is that you desire to achieve, okay? So one of my goals right there, I have the college diploma being shown right there. I definitely want to help students go to college. I actually wrote about it in my very first book called Caps and Gowns, All Smiles, No Frowns, the keys to earning a debt-free college degree. That's why I wear the cap and the gown. You can definitely hit the link in the description below to look at and get your copy of Caps and Gowns, All Smiles, No Frowns. So I'm basically just going to repeat that same process that I told you before. I'm going to get more pictures that are indicative of the goals that I desire, and I'm going to add them as well as the text in a semi-fashionable form, so that it looks good or pleasing to the eye. And then I'm going to have my vision board, okay? All right, right here, you can see that I try to get a little bit creative with the backgrounds, okay? It gives you a ton of different options. In fact, you can use some of your uploaded pictures or documents to change the background as well, but I just decided to keep it simple. I'm also showing you have the option to change up the different styles of fonts, okay? You can definitely get really creative with the font options they have there. You can change the size, the color, the style overall. Like, it's a bunch of different options that you can definitely use. All right, I don't know if you just saw, you may have to go back, but if you look towards the top on the left hand side, you'll see those arrows. That's essentially your undo button, right? If you make a mistake that you didn't necessarily want, you can just press that back arrow and you'll be able to go back to the way that you had it before, okay? So JGE, those are my initials, virtual vision board. I'm just giving it a simple title. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is to it. So from here, I'm going to fast forward. I'm cutting down essentially about a 10-minute clip to about a minute. So it's going to go really fast. But I'm essentially repeating the same process so that we can go ahead and get to the end. It's about a minute, so bear with me. And then I can show you the final product, okay? I'm going to have a special little surprise in there. You'll get to see a little bit about my personal life and someone who's really, really special to me. All right, y'all, stay locked in. But wait, before we get into the next part, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button below. It's red, and it's going to let you know when we post new videos. All right, let's get back into it. So listen, y'all, this is the final product. This is what came out for me at the end. Now, I know you may be laughing at my artistic abilities, and that's okay. I've been laughed at before. But all I'm trying to do is show you that you can use what it is you have right now. There are literally no excuses. There's nothing that you can't do that you put your mind to. So if this is important to you, like if you've got a reason why you want to accomplish those dreams, goals, and aspirations, like if you want to get your mama and your daddy off the block, like if you don't want to live in the situation that you live in anymore, if you want your mom and your dad to be proud of you, if you want to prove somebody wrong, yeah, you can use that as motivation too. Like if you want to do something that's going to make you feel better, there's no excuse. So we got to set those goals, keep them in front of us so that we can stay focused. All right, y'all, listen. This is another episode of the Student Success Series of Caps and Gowns TV, where we provide inspiration and motivation in preparation for your next graduation. Family, I love you so much. Make sure you tune in for another episode next week because it's going to get real good.